Watermelon margarita recipe. Prep the ingredients. Ensure your watermelon is chilled for optimal freshness. Cut the watermelon into small dice, removing any seeds if present. Chill your glasses in the freezer for a frosty touch, if desired. Blend the watermelon in a blender. Combine the diced watermelon, silver tequila, fresh lime juice, and agave nectar, or simple syrup. Blend until smooth and well combined, ensuring there are no large chunks of watermelon remaining. Prepare the glasses, if rimming the glasses with salt. Rub the rims with a lime wedge, and dip them into a plate of coarse salt to coat the edges evenly. This step adds a delightful contrast to the sweet-tangy drink. Add ice and pour. Fill your prepared glasses with ice cubes to the desired level. Pour the blended watermelon margarita mixture over the ice, dividing it evenly among the glasses. Garnish and serve. Garnish each glass with a slice of fresh watermelon on the rim, or a lime wheel on the side for an extra touch of presentation. Stir gently before sipping to combine the flavors. Tips for flavor variations. Spicy twist. Add a touch of heat by muddling a few slices of jalapeno with the watermelon before blending for a spicy watermelon margarita. Frozen version. For a frozen watermelon margarita, blend the ingredients with additional ice until slushy consistency is achieved. Why it's a summer favorite. The watermelon margarita embodies the essence of summer, with its juicy watermelon base, zesty lime notes, and the delightful warmth of tequila. It's a crowd pleaser at backyard barbecues, pool parties, or any festive occasion where you want to serve a refreshing and flavorful beverage. The balance of sweet and tart flavors makes it an instant hit among cocktail enthusiasts and fruit lovers alike. Subscribe to our channel for more delightful cocktail recipes, mixology tips, and culinary inspirations to elevate your beverage game. Join our community of cocktail enthusiasts and explore new ways to savor delicious drinks and create memorable moments.